In this video, I'm going to show you how to do synthetic division, and I'm also going to show you how I want it to look when you're doing it in this Desmos activity. So as you can see, you have an equation given to you, 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus x plus 2, and we're dividing it by x minus 4. So our first step in doing problems like this is we are just going to write the leading coefficient for each term in the first set of parentheses. The leading coefficient is the number in front of the x or just the number, for example, that 2 that doesn't have an x. So that's what I'm going to do first. I've got a 2, a negative 6 because the sign goes with the number. In front of that x, there's no number, so that means 1, and then I've got a 2. Then I'm going to make this little symbol, and then I'm going to put my divisor on the outside. Remember, the divisor is that number that comes from the x minus 4. That's our divisor, but when we use our number, we're going to do the opposite sign of what we see. So because I see a minus 4 or a negative 4, I'm going to make this be a positive 4. So notice also that I'm showing my work on the whiteboard. So that's so I can see what you're doing and make sure we're doing the right steps. So the first thing I do is I bring down my first number. So it's a 2. Then I do 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So I'm going to write it right here. Then I'm going to add negative 6 plus 8. When I do that, I get 2. 4 times 2 is 8. I'm going to write that right here. And I'm going to add 1 and 8 together. 1 plus 8 is 9. 4 times 9 is 36. I'm going to add these two numbers together now. So when they're stacked like this, we're adding them. Whoops, that's supposed to be a plus. We're adding them together. So I'm going to do 2 plus 36, and that is 38. That's it. I'm done. Remainder, constant, x squared. So I just did the work. Now I'm going to type my answer in the quotient box. And the way I need this to look is like this. 2x, I'm going to click here and hit the a little 2 squared. So that came from right here. Then I have a positive 2 with an x, then a positive 9 with no x. The c means constant. A constant's just a number. And then we have our remainder. Our remainder is positive 36. So the way we write our remainder is we're going to write plus, and then you're going to click on that keyboard again, and you need to make a fraction. So this a over b is the fraction button. The top of the fraction is your 38. The bottom of your fraction is the divisor. The divisor is this x minus 4. So that's what I'm going to put here, x minus 4. And this is the way I want you to do this and to submit your answer. And then you can hit submit. If you have any questions, please let me know.